Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mubashir, your instructor for this Android course. So in the previous video we have completed some part of our app. So today let us watch what are we going to do. So in the browser, so we have completed this part and today we are going to complete this part. So at the end our total app would be completed. So for that I have opened my Android Studio, and when I run this, much part of our app, for example hi, name is hi, so this much part of our app is completed. So coming to the main activity.kt, I am going to remove this, remove this also. So here I am going to create an intent, which means intent is responsible for changes of our pages or changing to any another app. For example, you have seen in some apps, like when you click on the link you will be redirected to some another app, or you will be redirected to some another page in the same app. So for that we'll create an intent. Wall intent is equals to intent. So in this we need to give two contexts. The first one is this, which means from this activity. So for that we will give this comma, and from here you are going to this activity. So for that birthday greeting activity class dot java. Okay, alt enter. Yeah, so if this is showing you an error, just click on this and you need to import this using alt enter. And in the next line you need to start our activity, right? Start activity. And what activity you need to start? This one, the intent. So we need to pass here intent. So that's all. So from where are we getting this start activity constructor? Is from this app compact activity. So as this main activity is extended by app compact activity, all the constructors which are in this can be used in this main activity. So what if we run now? So here you can see, when you click on this button, a new activity is generated using this intent. Okay, so now we have created an intent, and here now we need to design this page. So to design this page we need an image. Okay, so first let us give a text here. So for text, let me go to this split, or you can also use design. Okay, let's use design, and let's add a text view here, and let's constrain this top to the top, bottom to the bottom, right to the right, and left one to the left. And here I am giving this ID as birthday greeting. Okay, so now coming back to the main activity, we need to use this, right? Here we need to get a name which we typed. Let me show you the name we typed here. We need to get this name here, right? So for that, let's go to main activity, and here let's create a variable like val name is equals to name input. This is the ID which we gave for this name input, dot editable text. We are extracting the editable text to string, and here we have this intent, and here we need to pass this, right? We need to pass this context to this like activity birthday greeting. So for that, let intent dot put extra, and here we are passing the name, right? So for that, let's give name here, comma name. So coming to this, okay, here is Java, and here in the birthday greeting activity, let me open this here. Okay, so this is giving the context to this birthday greeting activity. So here we need to receive that, right? Okay, so for that, in this, let's make what we say constant variable here. So for that, we need to make a companion object in which we will make a const val with the name. Okay, name underscore extra, and here let's give this as name underscore extra. Okay, we need okay, why I created this I will explain you in a minute. So before that, here I am going to receive this using val name is equals to intent dot get string, right? So get string extra, and here we need to receive name. So we need to receive name. So here the name, this name and this name should be same, right? So for that I am changing this name to name extra. Okay, and here also let us change this to name extra. Okay, so in the birthday greeting, here let us change this text. Let us change this text here. Let us give this happy birthday. Okay, so now let us edit this here using split. So in the birthday card activity, we need to give this, what we say here, we need to give the context, right? So for that, birthday greeting dot text equals to happy birthday, and here let us give it a new line /n, and here let us pass the name, and after name exclamation mark. Okay, so now this is completed. So once let us run this. Install successfully. Okay, now let us check this. What if I want create birthday card, happy birthday Hruday. Okay, so we need a image in the background, right? So for that, let's go to Chrome and download the image using this unsplash.com. So I'm going to search here for birthday. Okay, I'm going to use this image. Click on this and let us download the small one. So download the small image, and here we got this. So open this showing folder. Now copy this using this copy, and in the Android Studio, here you can see drawable, right? Now all the images which you are going to use in our app will be in this folder, drawable. So let me paste our photo in this folder, paste. Okay, and let us change name to cake. Okay, not here, here in the name cake.jpg. Okay, so coming to this activity, we need a image, right? So let us add the image using code. So this time let us use code image view. So we want our image to be full screen, right? So that let us use match parent and even this height match parent. Okay, here we need to give the source from where are we importing our image. So for that let us use Android source. So we our photo is in this drawable cake, so let us import that here. And next let us use a scale type which is center crop. So use of this is, if you have a small image, this will expand the image from all the sides and it will crop it. So now let us end this using this. Okay, but our text gone backward, so for that let us cut this from here and let us paste this here. Okay, so let us change this text from text size. So first text alignment, let me do this text alignment to center, and here I need to give gravity. So let us click on this, set gravity center horizontal. Okay, so here we gave the text alignment to center and the gravity to center horizontal. And next let us change the size of this text. So for that text size, let us give this 48 sp. Okay, sp. Okay, so now let us change the font of this text. So for that we can use font family to cursive, and here let us change the color. So for that text color, let us use this color primary, and now let us make this bold. So for that text style equals to bold, and if you want italic you can just give a pipe symbol and you can use italic. So this got some more bend, so this doesn't look good, so I'm going to remove this italic and let us use this bold. Now let us move this upward. So as you can see we got this vertical bias and horizontal bias. So I am going to remove this horizontal bias from here, and I am going to change this vertical bias to 0.1. Okay, so let us run this. So the install is successful. Now let us, this is our app here. Enter the name. I am going to give here, create birthday card, happy birthday Priya. Okay, so this is our app, our first app. So let me recap this once again what we did in this video. So in the main activity we created an intent which is responsible for changing our activity from the first activity to the second activity. So here we passed this context, which is this activity, to the final point activity, our destination activity, which is birthday card activity this colon class dot java. And here we are going to pass this name, right? We need to pass our name. So for that we are giving here intent dot put extra, and here we are going to receive this using this get string. So we started our activity here, and in the here we created a constant so that this does not get misplaced with the name. So we made this constant here, and here we received our name, and here we are printing our name, and here this. So this is just the design. We imported our photo using this drawable. You need to just copy and paste here, and you need to give the source from where the photo is coming, I mean the source of this photo, and here we gave the text. So that's it for today, and our first app is completed. And in the next video I am going to make a small video where you can run this on your physical device, and you can make APK of this app and you can share it to your friends. So that's it for today, and bye.